Okay everyone, so I will try to explain how to create one of the pattern from the Islamic geometric pattern book by Erick. This is a 8-point star, one of the simplest one. So in that pattern I will use a circle that divided into 8 equal pieces. So I'm coming here and choose segment with 8. So now you see it starting from 0 and end up with 7. Well, it doesn't start with n because you start with 0. If you start with 1, you get 8 point on your circle. But for some reason, I'm starting with 0. So if I change it to 11, we'll be end up with 10. Now let's go back to 8. I have 8 point, 8 segment, and let's click on, I need to make sure, I want to draw a line between those numbers. So what I'm doing, I'm clicking on, first make sure you are in pattern rule, then the next step is clicking on add rule. Now in add rule, what you're doing, this is say plus 1. What does it mean by that? First, addition plus and 1. What does this mean? This mean it create a line between every point plus 1. So for example, you're starting from 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1. That means you will have a line between 0 and 1. Same thing, take 1, add 1 to it will be 2. That will be creating a line between 1.1 and 2. Same for every point. But there is something interesting about point 7. Point 7, when you add 1 to it, it will be 8, which basically we don't have 8. But in this type of arithmetic, basically 0.8 is equal to 0.0. 0.9 equal to what? Equal to 0.1. So in this case, 7 plus 1 equal to 0. That's why I'm doing it. I don't want this. I want a plus 2. When I'm doing plus 2, 0 plus 2 will be equal to 2. So 0 and 2 connected. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 and 3 connected, and so on. Now again, for 7, 7 plus 2 equal to what? Well, 7 plus 1 equal to 0. 7 plus 2 equal to what? Equal to 1. Or you can just move on this, move on the circle and 2 points. So 7 plus 2, 7 plus 1 will be 0. 7 plus 2 will be 1. So now I have everything I needed. I'm going to create the pattern I want, 8-point star. So what I'm doing, I'm clicking on the pattern here. Click on the pattern. When you click on the pattern, then click on polygon mode. When you click on the polygon mode, make sure you're picking the color you wanna have. I'm picking red. Then the next step, I have it. I'm going creating the shape that will be a basic of my talent. Don't worry about those lines. Just pick every point in your way that you want, and then later everything will be connected nicely as a polygon. Okay, keep doing this and you stop when you have everything. Now this is a start point, finish it, you end. Now I'm in, I finish it, I have what I want, I'm filling out the polygon. Click on the filling polygon. Sadly, you cannot change the color. If you change the color, it doesn't change anything. So just make sure you pick the color before you creating the polygon. After I finish everything, you don't need this. Make sure this is hide, make sure this is hide. If anything for other pattern, maybe this is useful. Now, don't show a circle. You don't want a circle. Now the next step, this one, you don't need it. Now the next step, click on the tessellation, and you click on tessellation, come here, click on show tessellation, and here we go. And you can download it as SVG. So click on it, allow, and let's click on it. That's it. This is the pattern we created. You can try experiment with different form and pattern.